Would it be a start of a video if I wasn't stopping at the jizz station? I don't think so. I don't think so. You guys know what day it is? Come on, you gotta know what day it is. You gotta know what day it is. It's Pub Sub Friday. We gonna get some pub subs. We gonna fuck 'em up. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. You guys motherfucking ready to go get some pubs? Some pub subs? Dude, I'm stoked. I hope I don't get rained on. Granny, you just my type. Let me holla. Back on the bike, baby. Let's go. Slut me out for a good old pub slub. I'll slub on a pub for a nub. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, that dead animal smells so delicious. You get my sarcasm? It stinks like shit. Did you get that? I'm getting rained down. I was just talking to somebody about how I've never actually been stuck in the rain before. And guess what? I'm getting rained on. This sucks. It's like my mood just immediately tanked. I got a slow person in front of me, and I'm getting rained on now. I'm turning around. No more pub subs. Not a chance. I'm determined. No. I'm like the Terminator protecting whatever that little boy is in Terminator 2. His name. That little boy grew up to be John Wick. Fun fact. Is it John Connor? What is his name? I don't know. I'm just little old me. I'm just blabbering. I'm just a big old blabbermouth. Yo, 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 yo. I can smell the rain. It's rain. Man, if it ain't one slow fucker, it's another. Can't you see? I'm a poor boy. This is brutal. I was gonna have fun on this road. Trying to be cool and drive with only one hand. It's all I'm practicing today. Cause this hand, where you know where this hand goes, right? Fogging up my fucking thing. This guy is driving slow as dick. Officer, arrest this man. He's a pussy. Oh, fucking fuck. Oh, my Lanta. Can you go? Guess where we made it to? Publix. We're at Publix. Ooh. We made it. Oh. Let me lock the doors. What the hell is Deli at? Okay. Ooh, look what I got. But they're both not for me. One's for my girlfriend. Can't forget the Bev. Never, never. I'm not gonna lie though. If I saw... Ooh, 2 for $4. If I saw the Aki Way guy in public, you're probably gonna have to hold me back from kicking his ass. And it's really nothing that he ever did. It's just his fucking sure fucking haunts me in my sleep. Come on. It's not scanning. Please. Oh, it looks like fucking shit outside. Oh, I'm so excited for the pub sub. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. Stay. 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 Thank you. Oh my god, I'm big rubbing. I'm big rubbing. I think there's a brewery over there. I'm gonna go check it out. Brewery. Alright, I'm checking it out. What is it called? Laurel Canyon Brewery. Let's see what they got. Ooh. Thank you. Ooh, I'll definitely be back. Thank you, sir. You have a good one. Oh, the beer was good. If you guys are ever in the area, Laurel Canyon Brewery is really good. I got the Pilsner, I think it was Lost Town Pilsner. It was pretty delicious. Great beer. They had a couple cool beers, actually. I wish I could just stay and get shit-faced. If you're a pro at this, whatever this case is called, quad lock. If you're a pro at it, good on you. Because I can't get this shit to save my life. About to go fuck that pub sub. About to go fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Not the butterfly again. Dude, you know I'm still picking out butterfly guts from the like edges of my camera. It's disgusting. Who wants to do that? I got my first compliment on my bike though. That made me feel good. Gave me little butterflies. Was he flirting with me? I like him older. Where that grandpa at? Thank you for saying I have a pretty motorcycle. I know you said nice bike, but I'm gonna replace the word with pretty because it's my rules, it's my world, and my wiener that's getting hard. Whoop, 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 whoop. Well, I'm gonna end it here. I just want to say thank you for joining me on Pub Dubs Scubs Friday. Pub Sub Friday. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you watched and you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.